Hey you guys, thanks so much for joining me today. We are talking about our skincare routine currently. This is something that we have been testing and trialing and scrutinizing for literally like 4 or 5 months, maybe 6 months. We don't share something with you guys unless we truly love it. And it took us a little while to figure out whether this was something we love, because I feel like you've got to test something for a decent amount of time before you're like, yeah, it's the best. But I can confidently tell you that I love the Neutralyze products. They're fantastic. You know, I'm not sure why my parents didn't warn me that adult acne is a thing. I thought I turned like 18 and magically that would disappear. I wouldn't have any more breakouts. And now, that doesn't happen. I definitely struggle with breakouts, especially here. My area is the chin. Where's yours? Comment below. Tell me where you get your breakouts. Mine's the chin. I just get a few that continually resurface and it was driving me insane. And for the last few months, I have not had any breakouts, and I thank Neutralyze for all of that. So thank you. We're gonna get right into my skincare routine, how I use these products, what's in them, what I love about them. But also I do want to let you guys know I love using a steamer, especially if I'm doing extractions, and I will link below our favorite steamer, Maddie and I. And I share a lot of that content, so does Maddie on Instagram. So if you're not following us on Instagram, follow us there. There's so much more content. We love doing stories. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like duh. And there's a child coming in here right now. Hi. Hey, Bubba. You want poo-poo? And this is life. I'm back. Oh, the joys of parenting. Okay, basically, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, follow us here. We love posting about hair, skin, makeup, all of the things. And we are cool, obviously. Okay, let's get into it. So the Neutralize acne treatment is actually a 3-step system. So step 1 is the face wash. And the face wash is actually a really powerful cleanser. It contains salicylic and mandelic acid, and it really eliminates acne causing bacteria, and it prevents future breakouts. And I've found that it leaves my skin feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and hydrated literally after every use. I've really enjoyed the lather that it creates and just the amount of dirt and bacteria that it's able to get off. The second step in the treatment system is the clearing serum. The clearing serum penetrates really deep, and it helps to heal existing acne lesions and blemishes. And it also has that salicylic and mandelic acid. And the serum works to correct dark spots, which is something that I've had issues with, especially after having children, any blotchiness, and it unclogs and minimizes pores to control excess greasiness, and it restores your skin to a stress-free state of just calm and relaxed skin. The third step is the synergizer, and the synergizer actually decreases redness and inflammation, and it's visibly improving your complexion. I'm telling you guys, like after I've used this stuff, I can literally see the difference in my complexion, and it activates your body's own natural healing abilities, which is amazing. So it uses nitrogen and that boost skincare technology to do that. A little bit more information about the Neutralize acne treatment. It lasts typically 60 days. It can last longer depending on how much you're using. And you can of course find all of the ingredients on the back of the products. But you can feel free to visit neutralize.com, and you can visit their social media platforms to learn more about the product. The last thing I want to talk about is the Neutralize exfoliating pads. The exfoliating pads are seriously one of a kind. This is the reason that we fell in love with Neutralize, and it's one of their most loved products. You can tell because it's something that typically runs out. The pads control oil and improve your skin texture while eliminating acne and preventing future breakouts. You can even use this on your back to treat acne, and it just works so well. The exfoliating pads are really great for cystic acne, pimples, zits, blemishes, whiteheads, blackheads, acne scars, and of course, any post-acne marks that you might have. And we've found that to be true. And again, that's one reason why we've just fallen in love with the Neutralize products. The Renewal Complex is another product made by Neutralyze that runs out quickly. They just got it back in stock, but it's an excellent moisturizer for acne-prone skin. It provides continuous time-release complex of beneficial skin ingredients that typically aren't included in a lot of different products out there. It's award-winning, it's great for blemish control, anti-aging, and it provides an all-in-one solution for really several concerns. So it's going to keep your skin consistently exfoliated, hydrated, even toned, and of course acne-free. And what I found is that it's not going to make my skin feel oily, and I really appreciate that, especially when applying product. I found with a lot of different moisturizers, I struggle with a lot of oil, especially in my T-zone, and this really eliminates that. The cool thing about the Renewal Complex is it helps relieve other skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, keratosis pilaris, and so it's really just an amazing product. And especially if you're dealing with severe acne, I feel like this is the secret sauce. It's this Renewal Complex that really helps treat those major issues with acne. Thanks for joining me today, you guys, for our current skincare routine. And thank you to Neutralyze for sponsoring this YouTube video. We greatly appreciate it. This is something we would have done with or without the sponsorship, because these are truly products we love. And you know that because we posted a video probably a year ago about these products. Go check out Maddie's video right here. Subscribe, follow, like this, all of that, and have a great day. At McDonald's, we love to see you smile. Too much? Too much.